Two things real quickly. I've only just now realized I had half the audio muted for like the past 4 or 5 recordings. I'm very sad about that. And what was the other thing? Oh, I found out apparently I can do a British voice when I say pink salmon. That's what all my friends was boiling about when we were playing Vincent's Story a few days ago. But anyways, we are back for, once again, why can I not hear anything? Did I even turn this on? Hello? Okay, there we go. It's just so quiet. Interesting. Yeah, so we're doing another one of the challenge doohickeys. And, well, I have 2 of these guys. So let's stack pie gel. Force artifact, that's really, really good. Easy. My mother, -1. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. The train stops. Oh yeah, you have damage shield. This doesn't kill. Unfortunate. This does. Yeah, so that's the gimmick. These guys do not run away now. They just fist fight you to the death now. And they also actually have damage. Sneeze on this man. There we go. It's fine. Oh, the ice coldness worked with the... Oh, y'all don't move up a floor. Interesting. Ooh, that does bleed through to the second one. Very nice to know. Anyway, I want money. Hi, how are you? Buh. Pog him! I want my money. I don't think they survived. Breathe on him. Awesome. Controller? There we go. No! The Frostblight mixed with the pie gel is actually kinda fucking good. Obviously we're getting the Piebon unit. A guy that's good for eggs, or a guy that gives me eggs on death. I don't know. I'll find another way to get eggs. Absolutely reduce you to 1. More HP. Give you armor to stay alive. Reroll. Ooh. Yeah, we'll take that. But I also want money. I also want this, but I can't afford this. I can do this though. I want to, but I shouldn't. You get to resist heal. You can be heal. You can be heal. I need room, but I also need more pile. You have lava armor. You can have this. You can sneeze on him. Then you can kill him. Then you can break this one's shield. There's your Vanguard buff. Hey, you're here already. Wonderful. Also heals you. Also heals you. And heals you. And give sneeze. I forgot to breathe! This is devastating. Okay, first breathe. Then this. Awkward. Together we are strong. Okay. Anyways, sneeze. And sneeze. How do you die? Oh yeah, because of that stuff. Do I kill you? Honestly, yes. I'm going to kill you. I don't get $50 from killing that person. Easy. Yeah, I'll take that. Yeah, I'll go magic. Money, sure. Interesting. What's heal? I should have went ahead and upgraded this. Fuck. But be honest, these are pretty good. Make it one cheaper. Actually, this is only $10. Honestly, yeah, I'll throw it on you. This is what I was hoping to get to put on her, but I didn't think I would get it. Literally, I thought about getting this and this, but I thought, we're not gonna roll it. I should just re-rolled it. Doesn't matter though. The sitcom of savagery. Wage 2 on Siphon. No Titan challenge because we were doing the dimensional challenge. Yeah, I need more pyro and I also need more... I need everything, to be honest. Goodbye. Oh, hello. Yeah, I got one. You have damage shield too. Shame. Anything else I can do? I can breathe. I can breathe and that makes you die. Our lords were not worst. Okay, cool story, bro. Anyways, double crystalline. Then do this. Then get egg. Oh no, you get wage. Oh no. Have you sneeze on them? Then break your shield. Wish I had a way to heal you besides hopefully getting that meat shield in order to give you regen. Because even if I put you heal, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 11 goes through. Well, does anyone have a tissue? No. At least you survived. Ah, hi. Hi, buddy. Buddy, old pal, what's up? I could have thrown you there to let you live, but oh well. For Sephiroth and the Titans. Lovely, nice force fight I get to do. Poke. Okay, let's block this. And block this, then get unlucky with that, then breathe. There we go. No. But we want Paijo though, but eggs to buff the person. I'll take you. Heaven's Light. And we'll save it. A Merchant of Steel does sound nice. But, I get more just on the outer cover nets, so yeah, I can go this way. Go Light Forge. Nope, more Pygel. All of these are good. I can get all 3 of them. That is only because I got that. Oh, it's Belatro. Hi. Interesting. Okay, yeah. That's very good. Which, that does want a smaller deck, so I can actually cycle through fast to get it, get through, then get up again. But oh well. Where are you at? Heal. Lose your armor for free. Oh, you have armor. I always thought your eye was just screwed up like you had concussion. No, you just have like armor over your eyes. You will soon become nothing. Good, I need a paycheck. I need the baby seal to die so I get paid. Can I shove you anywhere? What cards do what units do I still have? Yeah, I would rather have that than this. Okay. I'll give you pain with interest. Okay. I see. Oh, so I have 2 now, so now you should be even stronger. Sneeze. Activate. Activate. Hit that. Make it cold, I guess. I forgot to make you breathe. 9 corruption. Oh, this, it's nothing. That's a bucket. A bucket. A bucket? A bag of skulls. Where in the fuck did bucket come from? Oh, you hit. Oh, y'all get buffed as it goes on. Oh, no. Hi. Following champion judgment! And I drew it now. Oh, I need a smaller deck to even make use of this, I'm thinking. Not deploy you. Honestly, yes. I feel like that's the best thing to do. Yeah, because you can destroy this and yeah. All your help's gone and the damage shield is broken. Good. Apparently you die. Wonderful. There we go. Poke him with the stick spear. Do I have a room? No. I'll take it then. No. Save it. Then I can go heal for the March of Steel. Does this give me 2 when you die? No. This does. This increases to 20. Yeah, I'll take that. You with Endless? Yeah, put down you. Also give you HP. Also give this to you to help keep you alive. Then the Celestial Alcove. Yeah. Ooh, I'll take that. Ooh. Ooh! You always give me this. The other, like, blacked out artifact I don't have yet looks like your sword. So is it, like, something else to get your thing? Or... Oh! I get to keep this! Oh! That's not what I expected. That's awesome. This was always in getting to draw 1, eh. Sure, I'll take it. Draw 1, we roll. Yeah, we roll. Yes. Well, no, because we want you to die. So I'll put it on you. You want one less? Absolutely, I'll take that. So is that gonna proc again to give me another one? It does. Ooh. I have 35 cards. I need to fix that. Okay, I don't want to play you because I need you to be actually, you know, upgraded. What do I want you? Heal. You can be heal. And I can break this and then kill you. I probably shouldn't have stacked all those, but I don't care. Funny. Hellforge, perfect. Oh, that does that though. Get money that way. Oh, awkward. Oh well. Okay, we got one of y'all. Good. Excuse me, sneeze. Let's get a new one. Okay, not quite what I want. Okay, that's good, because that means that's gonna proc. That's better, because if that would have been discarded, I wouldn't have gotten it converted. You're still alive. You hit for 25, I just realized. Fucking ow. I got the other one of these, perfect. Sneeze. I'll probably be half dead, but that's the first time it's been hit. Yeah, I thought you heal. Maybe shouldn't have done that, but oh well. Here we go. Perfect, let's do it to go here, why not? A good damage shield, I probably should have you do that instead. And you're dead. Took a lot of damage though from the ice. Give me another one. Okay, that's not another one I want. Controller, let me breathe. 69. No, you live now. I don't care. Oh, it'd be funny to kill you with just spells. Yeah, I should just let it play out so I could get an extra egg. No. No. We'll save. Because we need more eggs for the thing. Yes, Mojo of Arms. Get to heal. And... No. No. Quick does sound good. They even put quick on, because that is useful. You? Guess. Can't open for the meat shield. Be honest, I think I have too much stuff. I can't afford to have more. I have too much. I see. Okay, I need to grab the fire one after this to get a extra use. Hey, that's epic. Congratulations, your sacrifice. Let me... That did not work out well at all. And you still die. Lovely. Oh well. That is a lot of value. No, the corruption! No, the great bell! The bell tolls for the bell pulls. Yeah, that's how it's fucking pronounced, Plasma. You're gonna hit and you... No, because that does damage. I don't want you to do damage. Put this on you. Watch out, I'm contagious. Play heal. Play this spell. Finally get this. I don't know if I want to win this turn. Honestly, yeah. I'm gonna say, what's the chance I get a spell that I can play for 0? What is the maximum eggs? 8. Okay. Play you heal. Sneeze on you. Do this. Kill you. Play you heal. Well, I'm meant for the void! Cool story, bro. Anyways, I guess I'll give this to you. Sneeze on this man. Break this one's shield. You see this great bill user break his shield, give his friend frostbite, and kill him with fire. He lived. This motherfucker. Oh, fucking great bell user. And he's dead because of my fire. I hope you die in a fire. Keep sneezing. Okay, we need to hold that. Wait, did that say it was gonna kill everyone somehow? Fucking how? Okay. I'm just blind. More armor. Achoo, achoo. Let's see. Sneeze. I think we used a bunch of magic. I could get so much for cashing 8 eggs. No. Yes, I need this. So 23 artifacts, 23 minor pyro. No. Yes. I want meat shield. I could combine these to make you stronger. Honestly, I'm gonna put this on one of my stewards. That's cool. It's you guys again. Worthless. That's cool. Yo, y'all have one, so y'all would die unless I cast a spell that turn. And y'all would die in 5 turns with that, cause take the oath. May the ink guide your journey. Okay. Cool story, bro. No, I literally just upgrade my pyro and you won't dampen it? No. I can put it on you because I don't need the ability mode because I'm at A8 now. I put the wrong guy here. The only time I've ever used it. Because I actually remembered! Who knew? You're still in this, okay. We can play you turn 1. Yeah, we can actually play you turn 1 now. And it has use. Your train stops here. Get concussion, bitch! Get a concussion. Steward. Yes. Breathe on him. You was dazed, so you didn't get to attack? Oh no, the bells. Wait, do you have 3 bells but more than... There's fucking people in the way now. I was about to check if you have specifically 3 bells but more than 3 hands. Sneeze. I can only see 1 bell, but you have like 6 arms. But it's probably behind this. The golden touch. The golden touch. Hey, there we go. Finally. I can't use you, but oh well. No, let's do this. Honestly, yes. I have too much. We have too much cards. You stop heal. Okay, it's only 2 bells. So do you only have 2 bells but 6 arms? Why? Is this true? Sneeze. Then break your thing. Break your thing. Activate this for magic. Break your thing. Frostbite. Oh, you survived through it all. Will we one day be healed? Nah, probably not. Golden touch. Yeah, you have 2 bells but 6 hands. Why? Why? You get to die because of that. Oh, yeah, it's you. What do you mean we're doing that's no fucking damage? The golden touch. Yes, we turned the tide! Also, I can sneeze on you. Nope, I got the ability for casting spell confused with the sneezing. sneeze on him. Fucking sneeze on that motherfucker. Yay, a Pony Skeleton card on the second to last fight. Wonderful. No. Yes. Not what I want. I'll take it, I guess. Are these whelps? They are considered whelps, okay. Well, that's literally useless. Let's re-roll. Sure. And sure, I take that. Also, let's get rid of a... What's the frostbite? Yeah, Forgotten Power. I'll get rid of multiple! Oh, okay, still goes up, okay. Oh, it wants me to look at this. Oh, no. Okie dokie. Let's get you. Okay, we got the thing for your existence. I get dazed! I could breathe. No, I forgot to breathe. No. On that available bite. Okay, Piano Man. Play me a song, Piano Man. Why the fuck is the piano always here for a song that's called the Wait, is it Piano Man or Harmonica Man? I think it's Piano Man and the harmonica never shuts up. Still a good song though, it just confuses me. A Stuart. You're gonna die from the sweep cosmetic weakness. Unfortunate. There goes all of your armor. Hi, how are you? Hey, good armor acquired. Put the Stuart here. Now you get to live. We'll deploy this. Hit this. And deploy this. I guess make it cold. You are gone. play these. Three HP. Oh, and yeah, wait, he made sure, he's like, that motherfucker right there that's about to sneeze, I don't want him to sneeze. Take him out. There we go. Oh, I had the dragon ability. I could have puked on the angel. No, I forgot. Melee witness 1, praise the pile, sneeze on this motherfucker. He is very fat and he has a Lyle helmet. I don't. Oh, we're fucked. I forgot to puke again. Go, fire. 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 Here we go. Oh, it's a final wave. Oh. Sneeze. Yeah. Well, you're gone as well. A new shield. Wait, you die? How the fuck do you die to this? Hold up, how the fuck does this kill you? Hang on, stop screaming. How do you lose to this army? Cause you just tank that shit cause you're Titanite. I see. You just fucking tank that shit. And as Revenge of the Collectors completed. We're nearly done with this side of the challenges. And these give us B. Also, I did get like 2 brain spike. Okay. There was some like talks like this one that y'all missed. One where a person was like being a piece of shit. Basically, I don't like the Angels anymore. They're pieces of shit. The shit they did And that thing would get you Sean killed here if you did that shit. Yeah, we're just using y'all. My golden princess needs a new pulse. Shut the fuck up. Oh, yeah, so you can resume it. Yeah, this is the one I was just doing off of my own. Because my friend at 8:30 said, hey, you want to play Played Up in like 20 minutes? Probably even less? Yes. 9:45 they showed up. 8:30, 20 minutes, probably less. Which would be 8:50 at most. He showed up at 9:45. Let's see what the next one is. By blocking? Oh! Oh. Oh, a power savagery! Ooh! We'll get to know what one of those do! Ooh. 50 and 55. How is that compared to the other pie hearts? Nope, I can't even view them. Sad. That sounds fairly low. But anyways, name's Plaza Bunny. I hope you had a good day, Legionaries. Like, comment, subscribe, what the fuck I'm also supposed to say. And you better be having a good day.